Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to unsubscribe from AliExpress email. As you can see, AliExpress send email continuously like spam, so it's very annoying. So today I will show you how to unsubscribe from this kind of email. So open any email they sent you, just scroll down, then click on view entire message. After that, scroll down again, then as you can see unsubscribe button in the bottom, just click on unsubscribe. After click on unsubscribe, this page will appear. Just simply click on unsubscribe. As you can see, you have now unsubscribed. So this is for today's video. If you like my video, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you.